Is done in Wintri and how we are going to rescue a child here.
Jai Hind everyone. Today on the occasion of 78th Independence Day, we are presenting section formation from our NCC cadets. Section formation is an art which is used in the battlefield. It includes 7 types of work and different terrains. The NCC cadets are going to The NCC cadets are going to show all the formation. A section is the smallest sub-unit of infantry battalion and is capable of undertaking independent tasks. It consists of 10 persons who are organized in rifle groups. The team Garuda was led by Captain Vishnu. Rifleman Pavitra. Rifleman 2 Padmavati. Rifleman 3 and Goga Pawan. Rifleman 4 Dhanush. All of you see your left hand. Where is the They have taken the child to the hostage. For the girls, this is a single line formation. For the second, this is file formation. And here.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. ಈಗ